Hi folks, welcome back to Car Right. So today I want to show you this lovely Porsche Cayenne S. It's the 2.9 turbo model. It's a September 20 registered vehicle with 34,000 miles and a full Porsche history. It's just one owner from new. This car boasts some £18,000 worth of optional extras. So I'll talk to you about a few now, but the full spec list can be found on our website. So to start with, it's got the carbon exterior pack, so beautifully finished with the front carbon canards and the brake duct vents. As we roll through to the back, it's got the carbon rear diffuser. This car's finished off externally with the 21-inch design alloy wheels and the black door trim surrounds. Sun protection glazing. Inside you'll find the car's got the Sport Chrono Pack and the electric glass panoramic sunroof. Round to the back, the car's finished off beautifully, like I said, that carbon diffuser and the black tipped exhaust pipes as well. Aside from that, it's got all the usual Porsche Cayenne refinements that you'd expect to see. A really eye-catching car, both inside and out, just a really nice place to be. Full details, as I said, of this car can be found on our website, and feel free, with regards to inquiries, to give us a call, WhatsApp us, you can email, you can contact us through our social media. As usual, we welcome any feedback on the video, so please leave your comments below or give us a shout. Thanks very much for tuning in yet again, and we hope to see you in the next one.